Here we start with an amazing vlog at the location, the Relax Adventure Resort, Igatpuri.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू योर चैनल. नाउ वी आर हियर विद द न्यू ब्लॉग. सो आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं इगतपुरी फॉर एन वेरी ब्यूटीफुल रिसोर्ट. सो मैं मेरे कॉलेज के दोस्तों के साथ जा रहा हूँ एंड इट्स गोना बी अ वेरी क्रेजी ट्रिप. अभी हम लोग ऑन दी वे है. वी जस्ट हैड अ ब्रेकफास्ट ओवर हियर नाउ और अभी हम लोग निकल रहे डायरेक्टली इगतपुरी में. विद इन 45-30 मिनट्स हम लोग पहुँचने वाले हैं अभी इगतपुरी में. एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी. लेट्स गो एंड वी आर गोइंग टू रिलैक्स एडवेंचर रिसोर्ट. पे डोर था बट हम लोग घूम के इधर से निकल के इधर आए. Guys,
Let's go. After having the breakfast, we left for the ahead journey. The atmosphere was pretty good, but हमको चाहिए थी थोड़ी सी बरसात. अगर आप थाने से आ रहे हो, then it would take around 2 hours 30 minutes to reach at this location. But if you are coming from Mumbai, then it might take around 3 hours to reach. पर एक बात तो बोलना पड़ेगा, ये जो रास्ते हैं यहाँ के that are very very good and आपको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा. It's very fast and very quick to reach at this location. So here we go. Finally guys, we are at the location. We are at the Relax Adventure Resort and it's gonna be a very crazy day क्योंकि ये जो प्रॉपर्टी है that is very 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 good. सब कुछ एक्सप्लोर करना है, हर एक चीज़ आपको मैं डिटेल में बताने वाला हूँ. Stay tuned and let's look forward. These are the orange villas. Similarly, in other way, these are the green villas, and for more luxury, these are the grey villas. Guys, Manav, Nikhil, Viraj, and Parab. After reaching at the resort, first we had this great breakfast with garam garam coffee and chaha. This is the main entrance of the Relax Adventure Resort. Also, the restaurant for it, the Tora Tora restaurant. After having a good breakfast, we went for the turf cricket. This is the main outer area of the resort with this amazing view. फिर थोड़ी देर उनो खेल के मैं गया रिसोर्ट देखने के लिए और ये रहा द इन्फिनिटी पूल ऑफ रिलैक्स एडवेंचर रिसोर्ट. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बिकॉज स्विमिंग पूल हो और इतने अच्छे नज़ारे के साथ तो फिर बेस्ट टाइम इट इज़. द व्यू ऑफ दिस रिसोर्ट इज़ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल along with this beautiful pool at the edge of these mountains. With this amazing pool, they also have this rain dance. Along with all the enjoyments, also have a look on these rules. I have to say this property is very 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 good. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. Actually जो नाम है ना रिलैक्स रिसोर्ट वो ही है यहाँ पे. You can feel the real relaxation over here. Now, firstly, we'll check out the orange villas. These orange villas are very beautiful and perfect for 3 or more than 4 people. The best rooms with all the amenities which are required and are basics. The most important part of this room is this balcony with this beautiful view. I mean, अगर पैसा दे रहे हो ना तो फिर इस व्यू के लिए दे रहे हो for sure. क्योंकि ये व्यू ऐसे रूम से ऐसे बालकनी से नहीं मिलता. जस्ट लुक एट दिस ब्यूटिफुल व्यू फ्रॉम योर ओनली ऑरेंज विला. टॉयलेट्स एंड द वॉशरूम ओवर हियर आर वेरी क्लीन एंड हाइजीनिक. विद दिस हियर वी एंड विद द ऑरेंज विलास रिव्यू. As similar as the view, there are this green villas. If we move forward for the more premium villas and rooms, there are the grey suite villas. Let's check it out, this one. Especially this is my favorite. The best classic view with the best ambience and everything is so premium over here with the LCD with having all the OTT platform. And of course, in the end, if we talk about the view from this room, I don't have to say anything. Just have a look on these videos. Like OMG. This is what we always crave for off-world. A staycation for the best. For the nature, for the peace, for the relaxation. The Relax Adventure Resort. After the grey suite villas, if you are coming here in huge groups like 12, 15 or 20 people, you can have these dormitory rooms available with the perfect view as well. They have 3 to 4 ACs involved in their room with all the amenities too. Then we went for the very special jeep ride. Going on a jeep ride. Let's go. This relax adventure resort is situated at Igatpuri. This resort is covered all over the 280 acres of land. You will obviously need a whole one day to explore this whole area. It's very beautiful and very large with many of the locations. The jeep ride is all about covering all the spots of the resort, including this. This is the point where you will get to see the whole part of Igatpuri, which is the most satisfying part of the journey. There are per person charges for this jeep ride, which is very low if you compare this view to sea. अगर इतना अच्छा व्यू दिखना है तो फिर इतना तो बनता है यार. This is so beautiful. After that, we returned back to the resort for exploring the most and hidden places of the resort. Where firstly we visited this Hanuman temple, also this huge area where you can conduct your special and corporate events. After this we will explore this private bungalow only at the Relax Adventure Resort. The most beautiful, most luxury, the best living of lifestyle is here. The private bungalow. This private bungalow includes everything with swimming pool, dining area, inside dining area, kitchen, 2 bedrooms and this huge luxury pool. Now looking forward, this is their own man-made personalized dam which is in process. पूरा रिसोर्ट घूमने के बाद हम जब फिर से रिसोर्ट आए, we started playing at the play zone table tennis and of course दोस्तों के साथ टेबल टेनिस का मैच मतलब it was a great fun. खेलते खेलते हो गई थी शाम और शाम को बन गया था पूरा माहौल क्योंकि बारिश होने वाली थी एंड हमको मिल गया था जो हमें व्यू चाहिए था. The great view of all time, the evening at Igatpuri at Relax Adventure Resort was here. यही तो व्यू था जिसके लिए हम आए थे. Everything was worth it. The view was here. The rain was here. Just enjoy the view for now. We started with our morning with this beautiful view. ये सुबह कुछ अलग ही थी. It was very special. This is the open area for dining and it's very beautiful क्योंकि यहाँ से view बहुत अच्छा है. They also have this cute little children's play area. Just have a look on the restaurant timings. If you are planning for Relax Adventure Resort, you will be blessed क्योंकि ये resort there is many things to explore and बहुत बड़ी property है. Now here we come to the Valleyholic Bungalow Staycation. It's a very beautiful bungalow with everything out there. They have the perfect 3 bedrooms with the perfect view and of course the dining with an amazing pool viewpoint. This is the view you will get from the back side of the bungalow. This is the huge lawn next to the bungalow where you can conduct your private parties or any other function. Now let's have a look for the other 2 bedrooms. These are the rooms and this is the view from it. The best view ever for your mornings. So after exploring this Valleyholic bungalow, this is the Garvik Banquet Hall which can be used for multiple purposes. We come to an end. After having a very good staycation at Relax Adventure Resort, we left for our hometown. Thane. And this is the view with the train and the roadside. Till then, thanks for watching. New vlogs coming soon. Tada, bye bye.